Of the many years I made upon earth, I get to realize that there's not many places where a man can go to be surprised beyond expression. Not many places where a man can go to be treated like the kings they are.
I am Spartacus!
Yes, we might have places like the spa or the local clock store where we get treated decently, but there's one place where it's overlooked by many. One place that's unrecognized by the mainstream media for far too long now. Back road. Now before I get all judgmental and I make your bag of nice, shut your think mouth. Maybe we just learn something new today, see me? So boom. In my last video, I said woman used wrapping paper for them front and persons took offense to that. Even though it might be true, I just say, you know what, rather than for judge them, why not try to help them? So me decide to provide a list for them, a list where they can give them man, a list that has 100% positive reviews. So I come up with you. Consider giving your man a Kira Noir. This is long lasting and is guaranteed to have your man smiling for days to come. Give your man a Mia Khalifa.
Bitch!
As in, reason for this is simply because it's kinda hard to find the right size. Them always too tight.
That is not correct.
And finally, consider giving your man a Harley D. Based on extensive research, a man never denies the ride of a Harley Dean. Now be warned, getting one of these items in person can be one of the most rigorous tasks you could ever take up. But there's one place though where you can go to get top-notch knockoffs. Back road.
Oh, what?
You see, me go take up myself and walk through a place at town named Ripon Road. I mean, I go tell no lie. Best place me ever walk through in my life. Now let me explain. Before I even start assume anything, let me just be clear. Me there try go to Emancipation Park. That was the final destination. It just so happens to me feel.
Now with the album out, are you paying attention?
Now hear me out. Contrary to your beliefs, Back Road is a magical place. A sanctuary for barter. A safe haven for scandalous exchange of gratification for monetary donation. Back Road is astronomical. Between the Goldilocks hours of 6 p.m. and 7 a.m., there is an exponential increase in financial thirsty estrogen-infested species awaiting their turn to treat you, the man, like royalty, you see me? Now, though you might have a lot of chuppings can throw for services, please be reminded, you're one man. A person with limiting factors such as anxiety, and we know what that can cause, one pop, bold speed, just to name a few disadvantages that come with being a male. So you as the man have to be careful as to which specimen you choose. It has been proven that the more the ears is battered, the greater the duration, and as such, I them the one they have a better money pan. You see me? I'm not going to tell a lie, the video you don't really have no structure, you don't have no endpoint, you don't have no goal or nothing like that. All I can say is, the man them robbed $23 million Portmore one day, and the police them wonder if the man them take him money and buy gun. And with the lack of fingerprint database in Jamaica, it kinda seem like we not go ever catch them criminals here. To them. But look like them want a man like me pan a force. You see me? Cause I can assure you, the man them not go buy no gun with the money. A back road I go find them. You see me? Peace.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force says several operations are ongoing to find the criminals behind the brazen afternoon robbery in Portmore St. Catherine on Sunday.
This is a recipe for mayhem, frustration and chaos.
a gunman in a me mingle.
Fully done.